Hi. Daddy's playing with Angel. She's not a stupid dummy.
Only when she pisses on everything.
Look at that grin. Hey, Brat. Chopped liver girl. Daddy, play with her. Play with your daughter. This is fun. Watching you chew on gum. You okay, honey? You in pain again? What's the matter?
Just out of breath.
Just that little bit of playing?
Sometimes I get out of breath.
Poor baby.
I think that last part took it all out of him.
So the last fart took it out of him, huh? So I should be home in about 20 minutes.
It'll be about dang time so I can get out of here.
Where are you going?
We are going somewhere. I'd like to go somewhere.
Where
We're
we going?
here without Nina, and I'd like to take advantage of it.
Where are we going?
Away. It'll be a surprise.
You're taking all of us out?
Yes.
Yay! Someone's in pain. My poor puppy. My poor little puppy.
Some cat clawed me, and her claw got stuck in me.
No.
Turned into cancer.
No, I did not.
I didn't mention your name.
I'm
Are
the
you
only
feeling
cat.
guilty?
No.
Okay. Anybody seen a pair of socks around here?
I saw it on the edge
Those
of the
black ones?
black ones over the
I thought those
the
were mine. I
couch.
threw them in the dirty clothes.
Clean.
Those are my socks.
No, he's got
Then
socks
you
like that
shouldn't wear
too.
the same ones as I do.
Well, he only has what he brought, Goofy.
No, I brought 4 pair.
They're identical to the ones I wear.
You like father, like
So it
son.
looks like you'll be wearing mine.
Let me get you a clean pair. I'll get you a clean pair right now.
That's my sock. Are you two socks?
They're identical to yours.
They're the same exact ones.
Last time I went home with a pair of tube socks. I wouldn't throw it. The socks are
Well, these ones have holes in them. Whoops. Holy sucks.
That symbol for Delaware Senior Olympics
Yeah.
looks like a big cheeked head with a gigantic nose.
No, my socks don't look like it. Yours are fine together.
I have
Mine are
two
a lot
different
further.
kinds, and they both look very similar.
Well, I don't
One
have
is
to.
tube and one is heel.
I don't know. Yours
How
are-
much would you like to bet that I know what I have?
Yeah, but mine are not like this.
I don't care. I have some that are identical to yours.
And mine are not tube.
I'll bet you $1,000 right now.
Mine are not tube.
Whatever. Let's bet.
I took a pair of your tube home last time with me.
I don't care.
Put them on there and I looked and I went to the...
Father and son. Arguing. They feel a little different. These are it.
What they got different.
I have some identical to that.
But they're tube. These are not tube.
Whatever. Tube, whatever. Tube, not tube. I have those.
Everybody's goofy. Cat's goofy, dog's goofy.
Make a big deal out of something that's worth making a big deal out of it.
Yeah. You do.
Yeah, I do. When it's worth making a big deal out of it, I'll make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, but half stuff you make a big deal out of is not worth making a big deal out of either. What'd I do with my hat?
Whatever. I'm allowed to do that.
I don't know where your hat's at. That I do not
Well,
know.
I'm twice your age, so I know I'm allowed to do it.
That just means you're old.
Ronald! Dennis Rose Jr.
And
Get there.
you're lucky. You're blessed because you got to live longer.
Yeah, I'm cutting out this. Angel, you have anything you want to say? You have
Say
anything you
meow.
want to say?
Say meow.
You have anything?
Meow or
Meow.
something.
Angel House. Kissy, it's in
Hey.
House.
Angel, speak. You dummy. Dumb cat. That would have been a dog. He'd been barking everywhere.
This is mine.
Where is my hat?
I wish there was such thing as an indoor dog.
I don't know where your hat's at. Grandpa
Right,
trying
we
to
don't
take the
have Nina
street.
to do the vacuum this weekend.
Who cares? Say likes vacuuming. He can at
Yeah,
least
he
try. He can. You keep saying he can because everyone likes to baby him, including your mother.
Alright.
Let him try.
Vacuum them. It'll be all uneven, but I'll just tell him to do it 3 times and maybe he'll get it all.
He actually wants to vacuum his own room, but Nina keeps insisting on vacuuming it for him. Okay, I'm shutting off. You have anything you want to say to the camera, Mr. I've Got Pain?
Cancer sucks.
Rock on.